What's up, everybody? This is Jesus Esparza. I'm gonna do like a different kind of video that I want to do this for quite a while. I really have like a Spin Master Monster Jam Gravedigger Mega RC truck, and it looks pretty cool, and the tires are big, and yeah. All right, no time for that, and let's give it a run. Check it out. Whoa. As you can see, the lights are... Yeah, as you can see, the lights, the headlights are red, and of the Gravedigger, try to do a little bit of donuts here. By Spin Master. Check it out. Oh yeah. Check it out here. Gonna run this for a little while. Yeah. Yeah. There's a donut, and yeah. I did run it for a little bit, so there's a donut. Yeah, take it out here. Check it out here. Oh yeah. Whoa, that was close. All right. Doing like a figure eight, huh? Whoa, close call. There we go. And yeah. All right, here we go again. Whoa, almost kind of been crash here. Okay, that's all the run I would do, and about the Gravedigger Mega RC Monster Truck from Spin Master Monster Jam, and what do you think of the Spin Master Monster Jam Gravedigger Mega RC Monster Truck from Spin Master? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys soon.